Hello guys, welcome back to 1 Minute IT Shot. In this video, I'll show you how to fix the ChatGPT too many requests error. If ChatGPT keeps showing this message and you can't continue using it normally, here are some fixes you can try. Let's get started. First, try some simple fixes. If you're using a VPN, turn it off temporarily. Also, if you have an ad blocker or privacy extension enabled, try disabling it for now. Then, make sure you have a stable internet connection. An unstable or interrupted connection can sometimes cause request errors. After that, go back to ChatGPT and try sending your message again. If you're still seeing the same error, don't keep sending requests repeatedly. Wait around 15 minutes and then try again. Sometimes the issue can resolve itself after a short period. If that doesn't work, let's move to the next fix. Log out of your ChatGPT account and then log back in. Once you're logged in again, try sending a new message. Still not working? Let's clear your browser data. Click the three dots in the top right corner of your browser and open Settings. Go to Privacy and Security and select Delete Browsing Data. Make sure cookies and other site data and cached images and files are selected. Set the time range to all time, then click Delete Data. Now go back to ChatGPT and check if the problem is fixed. If you're still getting the error, there's one more browser setting we can try. Go back to Settings, then Privacy and Security. Find Third-Party Cookies, then select See All Site Data and Permissions. Search for ChatGPT and OpenAI. If you see them listed, delete their saved site data. After that, completely close your browser, reopen it, and log back into ChatGPT. Send a new message and check if everything is working normally. If you're still having problems, you can also try using another ChatGPT account to determine whether the issue is specific to your account. And remember, upgrading to a paid ChatGPT plan may provide higher usage limits, depending on the plan and current limits, but it won't necessarily fix every too many requests error. And that's it. Those are some of the best ways to troubleshoot the ChatGPT too many requests error. If this video helped you out, leave a like, subscribe to 1 Minute IT Shot, and I'll see you in the next one.